a little sleepy. Otro, you just ate. You want to go to bed? Say hi. There you are. Okay, okay. See you later. Okay, I am using my headphones so things sound weird. It's very, very windy, and I do have the balcony door open a little bit. And just put this away from making my ghetto ring light. Ghetto ring light instructions. Take a paper towel, fold it, cut a circle, tape it on there. Boom. Instant light. Because it's Portland, it's Oregon, it's dark. Anyway, hopefully I'm live now, and I was just talking to fill up space. I'm excited. I'm highly caffeinated and very titillated and heart palpitating because I've had this brown box, this Otro box, for a little while now. I've been saving it for this unboxing. Pure Rose Essential Oil. Our most valuable oil. By our, I mean doTERRA's essential oils, which are the only essential oils that have sourcetoyou.com, where you can look up the batch code on any single oil. We have batch codes. You won't be able to read it, but you can see some ink on the bottom there. If you plug in any single oil batch code into sourcetoyou.com, you will see the full chemical breakdown if you're into that sort of thing. You will see all the terps that are present, and you will see proof that it is a real essential oil, not a fake. Essential oils are very imitated these days. They're everywhere. You can get $2.99 lavender at Evil Mart, and let me tell you, it's not lavender. Anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the rose. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna open this bad boy. I'm so excited. I can't even. It's not safe to use scissors at this level of excitement, so I'm gonna risk my nail and just peel this bad boy open. Boy, girl, non-gendered phrasing. Okay, I'm gonna use the scissors, but I'm gonna be super careful. I'm gonna be super. So, what's so exciting about this oil for me personally? Oh, my people. Oh, my people. There are 50,000 whole roses, not buds, not petals, no stems, no leaves, no roots. 50,000 entire roses in my hand in this bottle, purified and distilled down very carefully, low heat enfleurage in this bottle. Rose oil is also found because this is our most valuable oil. It's the highest priced, is what I'm trying to say, of our oils at $275. And if you compare that to the price of 50,000 roses, it's a pretty good bargain. Also, I didn't pay 1 penny for this. Also, I did not pay a single penny for this. I got this free because I am on the loyalty rewards program in doTERRA, which means that I get points back, 30% of everything I buy back in free oil money. I get 100% of my shipping every single. Well, actually, if I pay $11.99 shipping, they give me $12 back in points. So I get a penny more than I pay in shipping back to use on oils, on my own stash, vitamins, on shampoo, on whatever I want, and I saved them up. It didn't take that long, and I got me those. Okay. To talk about rose oil is to talk about Cleo, me. Hi, you either know me already or we're just meeting right now. Coming to essential oils in the first place. Oh, way back in the before times. I worked in cosmetics on Fifth Avenue. I worked for companies with black and white stripes that sell a lot of makeup. I worked for the Bergdorf Goodmans, if you know how I'm saying that name. I worked for Oomingdale's, Yacy's. Do you know these places that I'm talking about? Um, and I learned a lot about ingredients. I learned a lot about skincare. I learned so much. about skincare ingredients. These are the things I read in my free time, was the back of bottles and things like that, and ingredients. Hi, Wei, how are you doing? We're just popping in. We're talking about rose oil today, pure rose, 50,000 roses in this bottle. And I had read, or someone had told me, that rose essential oil was good for helping support emotions, helping with depressed thoughts and anxious thoughts, and also really good for the skin, also supports hormone balancing. So I was like, oh, girl, I gotta get me some of this. So I was in New York City at the time. I run me to the Botanica. If you don't know what a Botanica is, drop it in the comments. I'll explain it to you. I run me to the Botanica and I'm looking for rose, and I can smell these rose oils. And I'm like, but is this pure though? And I mean, I knew it wasn't pure. I'm not a chemist or anything, but I know what a rose smells like. If you stop and smell the roses, you will smell a rose. And I knew that this bottle was rose scented, but not rose oil. But I was looking for those benefits. I was looking for those properties. So you better believe I bought rose oil, pure rose oil everywhere I could get. Interesting thing is, working in fragrance and skincare, I really didn't like the perfumes that claimed to have rose in them or that were rose based. I thought these were really stinky, excuse the phrase, old lady kind of smells. This is old thinking. But I guess it's because I never smelled a real rose oil. I never smelled a real rose oil until I smelled doTERRA's. Now, doTERRA sells a thing called Rose Touch. We've had this for a while. I believe this rose came out literally 1 year ago at convention in September 2019. But we've had Rose Touch for a long time. This is rose oil pre-diluted. This is a limited edition packaging that came in a set of 5 called Precious Florals, and it came with rose, magnolia, jasmine, blue lotus, and neroli. These little 4 mils. Oh, and I use these. I rub these on my skin. I use this as skincare. Aurelia is saying use rosehip oil from a different from red. Yes, rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is amazing to help support the hormones. Really great for the skin. I definitely use that as a carrier in different blends that I've made for myself. I'm actually out right now, but rosehip seed is freaking amazing, and that comes from, the seed of the rose before it's a rose. So this is distilled from the petals. So this one's pre-diluted, our touch roller. It actually comes in this size. I just don't have that size handy right now to show you, but we sell it like this and we sell it in a set like this, pre-diluted. Stronger actually has, this is a gentle, it's from our kids line, but I personally love the kids line to use on my own. You can see how much I use this bottle if the label's peeling off. This has only 4 ingredients in it, and one of them is rose. Litzia, which is like a limoncello scented oil. I definitely roll that all over my face. And that's immune boosting. You can actually use that as a hand cleanser on the go. You can just, if you don't have any alcohol-based products on hand, you can use stronger. And it's good for kids to help support their own immune system. So rose, it's in a lot of our oils, pre-diluted, but we've only been able to get it pure for a year now. So let me just tell you a few properties. I do have to bounce soon, but I just was like, I need to open this and I need to and I have a few different books here. This one's Advanced Oil Magic. This is a very accessible text for anyone wanting to learn a little bit about essential oils or have a textbook on hand. Basically, any problem you're experiencing, you look in the book and it tells you which oils can help support that issue. So I have 3 books I'm going to go through really quickly. Looking for rose. Can you see I don't use this book that often because I'm not navigating it very well. Bear with me. If you're watching the replay, say replay down in the bottom and fast forward about 30 seconds. If you're watching the live, hang with me. I'm going to find this rose oil in this book. Almost there. Here we go. Rose. Okay, so this particular book, if you'd like a discount code, I do have an affiliate link. Ask me for it. I'll PM you to it. Otherwise, just Google it and grab yourself the book. It says here, main properties, supports antidepressing feelings. I'm trying to speak in FDA compliant language, guys. Can you translate what I'm saying into what I'm meaning? It's an astringent for the skin, and it's cytophylactic. I'm gonna have to look that up. But if I use Keywords, cytophylactic, maybe it helps blood clot. I don't know. I'm just going to Google that. Top uses, you can use it in a toner or a moisturizer or apply either diluted or neat to the skin to help with fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. It helps boost libido. Rose, sexy, sexy oil. Massage into scar tissue. Oh, I should do that. I got my gallbladder removed a couple months ago. Still a little scar left. I better put some of this rose on that bad boy now that I got it. Self-esteem and depression. Apply 1 to 2 drops over the heart or diffuse. I would not personally be putting any of this in my diffuser. I will just leave that for topical use. And there are some recipes in here. I'm not gonna copyright infringe them, but if you need that recipe, just message me. Now, this is one of my very favorite oil books regarding emotions and energetic use of essential oils. I'm gonna get into the scientific one next. Oh, I left myself a bookmark. Thanks, past Cleo, for leaving future Cleo a bookmark. Really appreciate that. Rose is the oil of divine love. Oof, who doesn't want that title? The oil of divine love. Rose oil holds a higher vibration than any other oil on the planet. Queen of oils. It's a powerful healer of the heart. It supports individuals in reaching heavenward and connecting with divine love. Okay, okay. Rose teaches the essential need for divine grace an intervention in the healing process as an individual opens to receive divine benevolence in all its manifestations. Come on, doesn't that sound divine? The heart is softened. If one can simply let go and choose to receive divine love, they are wrapped in warm, warm charity and compassion. Okay, wait, see you later. Pop in for the replay. Rose oil helps with the negative emotions such as feeling bereft of divine love, constricted feelings, a closed or broken heart, a lack of compassion, and woundedness. It supports the positive properties of feeling loved, compassionate, healing, tenderheartedness, accepting, empathy, and receiving divine love. And it goes very well with geranium, with our anti-aging blend, which is a frankincense blend. It's a few oils in there, and it does have a little rose in it. Manuka, arborvitae, which is the tree of life, and our comforting blend, which is Console, which I don't have on my desk, but I have been using the heck out of Console comforting blend lately. Basically, it smells like a botanica. It smells like walking into a witch store. If you like that incense smell of walking into one of those kind of yoga studios, then you love Console. So that's the emotional aspect, and that's what brought me to essential oils altogether, is because that rose oil was my gateway oil. Now I'm reading from The Essential Life. This is what I consider the Bible of essential oils. If you're a noob and you're interested and you're dabbling, grab you this book. It's real simple. It's real accessible. If you're into oils and you need yourself the text, you need yourself The Essential Life. This is an old edition, so it doesn't have every oil in it, but it's got the ones that matter. So rose, it tells us the main constituents. I'm very into terpenes, hence the name Terp Obsessed, if you know my branding. And I love that this book gives you the main terpenes, even though there are hundreds of terpenes, which basically means smells. A smell, an oil, an essential oil is a liquid form of smells, and it has hundreds of smells that make up that smell. The main ones in rose are ceronelol, geranol, which is one in geranium, which is probably why rose and geranium play nicely together, and nerol, which is in neroli, which is also why all the florals play together. And these are known to help with depressing feelings. They are known to help boost libido. They are antispasmodic. So spasms of the muscles would be like cramping or uncomfortable sensations like that. Rose can help support antispasmodic reaction in the body. It's an emmenagogue, meaning it can help. Oh, I was right, I think, with the context clues of that other word, that it can help the blood clot. It's calming and sedative, and it's a skin tonic. Really amazing. And then here there's some other blends, other oils that it says it goes with besides geranium. You've got lavender, Litsea. Hello, Litsea's in the stronger blend. Neroli and sandalwood. Of course, rose and sandalwood must go amazing together. We have two sandalwoods. We have Hawaiian and Indian. But anyway, this is not about sandalwood. Can we open the bottle now? I'm so nervous, excited. I'm going to open the bottle. I'm going to open the... Can't believe I just opened a bottle of 50,000 roses. Oh my, that smells amazing. So 50,000 roses, and this 5 milliliters is about 85 drops. So I'm going to just do a quick little math if I can figure out how to do that. No, that's not right. Let's try the other way. We're looking at about 588 roses per drop. I'm about to use them. Oh, there's cat hair on my hand. Also, where are you? Lost a picture of myself. There you go. One drop, just 588. Oh, that's it. Oh! It's like being in a rose garden. I've been in a rose garden before and it didn't even quite smell that pungent. It's amazing. What I'm doing right now is using it aromatically, which you can use aromatically. You can use oils aromatically by diffusing them either in a diffuser or any other means. I wouldn't put a drop in a diffuser. But I'm diffusing it off my hands. I'm using it aromatically. I'm using it topically. And I'm not sure if this is one, I would not use any essential oil other than doTERRA. I personally would never ingest another brand of oils because I could never prove that it was genuine. But the doTERRA website lists this one at, no, not internal, just aromatically and topically. And dilute for younger sensitive skin because there's 588 roses in each drop, and I've just inhaled them and rubbed them all over my face. And I'm really excited about that. I'm going to be using this in blends, in perfume blends, and in roller blends, and skincare blends, and lotions, and body butters. Maybe even in conditioner. That's how I'm going to use my 50,000 roses. It's not 50,000 left anymore, but whoa, that's good stuff. Also, I would say this is really great for meditation, especially with frankincense, especially great for getting on the mat, for taking a deep breath, and for stopping and smell the roses because maybe you're not walking outside right now. Maybe it's not like the before times. Maybe it's the after times. Maybe we need these heavier essences, these more powerful plant essences now that it's the after times. Thanks for hanging in. If you watch the replay, make sure you drop a sticker down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you'd like to know more about our top 10 essential oils and doTERRA in general, how to purchase from us with no pressure whatsoever. And if you can't make it live, just let me know, PM me, we'll send you the replay. There's a class on Sunday, Essential Oils Made Easy. Message me and I will send you the Zoom link, the time, and the password. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Have a rosy day.